Hi there, it's Tatiana and this is vrsrur.com. Visit Russia, speak Russian, understand Russians. Today we'll talk about sounds of speech and letters. So here we go. Sounds are usually marked with brackets. Please remember, one letter can mark different sounds. For example, there are two words, kot and kati. Kot means a cat, singular. Kati means cats, plural. Look at the first word, kot. We write K-O-T, sounds K-O-T, kot. There isn't any difference. The next word, kati, we write K-O-T-I, but we use the other sounds K-A-T-I, kati. So the sound O changes in a sound A, kati. The next, one sound can be marked with different letters. For example, look, look. The first word, look, means a middle. The next word is also look, but it's an onion. If I'm not mistaken, such kind of words are called homophones. So they sound the same, but in writing we use different letters. So again, look, a middle. We write L-U-G, but we use sounds L-U-K, look. And the next word, an onion, look, L-U-K, and sounds L-U-K, look, look, look. The same. The next, you need to distinguish a sound and a letter word structure. For example, vinaigrette. Vinaigrette means a kind of salad with some beet, cabbage, onion and potato. It's a very tasty salad. We don't use any sauce, but we put there some oil. And it's very, very tasty. Vinaigrette, we write V-I-N-E-G-R-E-T. Vinaigrette. But we pronounce V-I-N-I-G-R-E-T. Vinaigrette. Sometimes the amount of letters and sounds is not the same. In some words, sounds V, D, L, T are not pronounced if there is another consonant near them. For example, солнце. We write S-O-L-N-C-E, but we use sounds S-O-N-C-E. Солнце. Солнце means the sun. There are 6 letters and 5 sounds. You can be confused with all of these rules, but there is a solution for understanding this rule. Let's look. You need to find a checking word where the consonants V, D, L, T are clearly pronounced. That will help you to write words with unpronounced consonants correctly. For example, the word здравствуй. Здравствуй means hello, how do you do? It's a very formal way to say hello. Здравствуй. As you can see and as you can hear, we don't pronounce the sound V, letter V. We write Z, D, R, A, V, S, T, V, U и краткая. And we use sounds Z, D, R, A, S, T, V, U, Y. Здравствуй. The checking word will be здоровье. Здоровье means health. Here we also write the letter V and we pronounce this sound. We write Z, D, O, R, O, В, мягкий знак Е. And we pronounce Z, D, O, R, O, V, E. Здоровье. Look at letter V. There is another letter near the letter V. Мягкий знак. A soft sign makes a consonant softer. V. Здоровье. The next word is сердце. Сердце means a heart, a noun. We write S-E-R-D-C-E, but we use sounds S-E-R-C-E. Сердце. The chicken word will be сердечный. It's an adjective and also means heart. Сердечный. We write S-E-R-D-E-C-N-Y и краткое, and we use sounds S-E, R-D-E, Ch-N-Y. Сердечный. I hope this information will be useful for you. So now please look at these two columns. The first column, there is an unpronounced letter, and the second column, there isn't any unpronounced letter. So you just need to remember to learn these words. Чувство. The word чувство means a feeling. We write a letter V, but we don't pronounce it. Чувство. The next word is чувствовать. Чувствовать means to feel. Again, we write letter V, but we don't pronounce it. Чувствовать. The next word is праздник. Праздник means a holiday. We write letter D, but we don't pronounce it. Праздник. Сверстник. Сверстник means a cable. We write T, but we don't pronounce it. Лестница. Лестница means a ladder. We write T, but we don't pronounce it. The next column, there isn't any unpronounced letter. Опасный. Опасный means dangerous. Чудесный. Чудесный means wonderful. Вкусный. Вкусный means tasty or delicious. Участвовать. Участвовать means to participate. Участвовать. Ровесник. Ровесник means a кого. Ровесник. So that's everything for today. I hope this information will help you in learning the Russian phonics. And for more lessons, for more information, please visit vrsrur.com. Subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comments. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.